everybody, it's Braden here, the lead calibrator on the Ford platform here at Cobb. We've got some exciting new features to talk to you about today for your Ford vehicle. FiveWay Map Switching allows you to change things like fuel, timing, boost, wastegate, rev limits on the fly using your cruise control buttons. Let's show you how this is going to work. So once you've flashed a calibration that has map switching enabled, simply click the Cancel Resume button on your cruise control stock to activate the feature. Then, to switch in between available map slots, use the Set Minus or Set Plus button to shift in between different map slots. The currently active map slot is displayed in two places. The first is your vehicle's tach in 1000 RPM increments. This means that slot 1 will show 1000 RPM all the way up to slot 5 showing 5000 RPM. The second is using the map slot monitor on your Accessport. Additionally, on the 13 and 14 Focus ST, you'll also find this displayed as the shift light indicator. To exit the map switching menu, simply press the off button. Your Accessport ships with a number of off-the-shelf maps. All stage maps come with a performance mode in slot 1 and an economy mode in slot 2. If you want to further customize these features, contact a Pro Tuner or use Access Tuner software. One last thing, we added another feature called Rolling Map Switch. This allows you to change maps on the fly while moving. If you've got a manual transmission vehicle, I've got a really cool feature to show you. Hot Swappable Launch Control Mode allows you to switch between a throttle or fuel cut based launch limiter. It's really easy to use. All you have to do is smash your foot to the floor and use the Cruise Control On button to switch between the two modes. By default, the fuel cut launch limiter is active. When you press and hold the Cruise Control On button, it switches to the throttle cut. Release the button and it switches back to the fuel cut. Now let's see this in action. Please keep in mind that our OTS maps ship with only the throttle cut launch limiters active. If you'd like to use the fuel cut launch limiter, please contact your Pro Tuner or use Access Tuner software. Next up is flat foot shifting. This feature allows you to keep your foot to the floor while shifting gears to maintain boost pressure and knock down those quarter-mile times. It's also a hell of a lot of fun around a road course.